How to connect TikTok Shop to Woocommerce. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to have Woocommerce and TikTok Shop integrated together. So first things first, what you're going to ensure is that you have your WooCommerce started and set up already. After that, you're going to go over here on our plugins option. Click on plugins, and this is the page where you will be able to find all kinds of apps that you could integrate together with your WordPress or your WooCommerce. Simply search over here on the search bar TikTok Shop. Click on enter, and you will be able to see all kinds of apps that would allow you to manage and connect TikTok Shop together with your WooCommerce. For example, this one over here, we will be able to actually connect WooCommerce and TikTok Shop with this one. And you also have this one over here, and you have many other platforms over here. So simply choose the one that you like the most. For example, this one, after reading through the description, you decide that this is the one that you like. So simply click on activate or install over here, and you will then be able to connect your TikTok Shop and your WooCommerce. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.